All right, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. So we've had a busy week. Sorry for not posting for about a week and a half. We just moved into a new house, so there's gonna be lots more videos coming. Installs are gonna be way easier for the channel, so hope you guys are excited for that. Today we have an exciting install. It's the U2X Pro. Basically what it is it's a wireless CarPlay adapter. So we just gotta plug it in, and then you don't have to plug in your phone every single time you get in the car. And just very excited for installing this. It just makes functionality a little bit better. Let's get right into the video and show you guys how to install it. All right, now that we're in the GR86, we're gonna be installing the AutoCast U2X Pro. So we can have our wireless CarPlay. So here's what the box looks like. Really nice small packaging. And then the cables included are a USB-C to a USB-C if you want to use that. And then they also include a regular USB to USB-C as well, which we're going to be using to hook it up. And then here's the user manual they include in the packaging if you guys need help installing it. It is a pretty straightforward install. You just plug it in and it should work right off the bat. But here's what's included in the instruction manual. All right, so here's what the AutoCast looks like, all plugged in and everything. It's really small, so you guys can fit it inside your center console really easily. We just plugged it right there, and right as we plugged it in, it should pop up on your screen with a little message. And our screen right now says enable CarPlay. You're gonna say yes, and then it will do its magic. After a little bit, it's gonna say to enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After you do that, you guys can connect to whatever pops up on the screen right there. So we connected to Auto 30A7, and in doing so, your phone starts connecting to the little box, which basically ends up making your CarPlay wireless. So right here it says connecting to Nathaniel's IP, and it does take a couple minutes originally, at least it did for me. But once you guys get it all connected, it should work pretty quickly every time you get in your car. All right, so a couple minutes later, there we go. CarPlay is on the screen and our phone's not plugged in, all connected through Bluetooth through the AutoCast U2X Pro. So it's pretty awesome. You guys don't have to plug in your phone every single time you get in your car just to turn on CarPlay. Yeah, it's kind of how the car should have came from the factory, but it's not even that hard to plug this thing in and put it in your center console. Or you could even just take it and put it in the back of your glove box so it's hidden, and it'll work perfectly there as well. But anyway, thank you to AutoCast for sending out the U2X Pro wireless adapter for some CarPlay for the GR86 and BRZ. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.
Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom.